Hello, gorgeous ladies and gentlemen of the realm. FaeryVixen here, back again with another video. I'm going to start off with some stuff that was sold but never got paid for. So we're gonna dump it out and offer it up again because it's getting put back into inventory. Alright. Let's start off with the big ones. This is amethyst and sterling. Hand beaded by me. All the elements are sterling except for these. These are Swarovski and pewter. And the rest is sterling, and yes, it needs cleaned. But this one I had sold for $80, but they decided not to. Not to. So that's going back into inventory. Let me know if you are interested. Excuse me. This one is really pretty. Lemon quartz. Very sparkly with some marcasites. Beautiful thing. On a sterling chain. I don't remember what I had that one up for. Don't remember at all. There's a little bypass ring with amethysts. Adorable. Oh, I got pen on me. Sterling bypass ring. Very small. Let's see what size we got. No, it's not very small. It's 7. 7. 7 ain't bad. Bags away. Here's a strand of this one with the hematite in it. Hematite and amethyst. Very pretty, very nice. Very heavy because of the hematite, the real hematite in there. It makes it a bit more substantial. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And that one I had sold for $25. And then we have rings. This, I'm pretty sure this one is citrine. Oh, and also this one. Somebody spoke for it, and then when I quoted a price, they never answered me, so that is also up. And this is, I believe, citrine, with some sort of white stone surrounding it. I'm going to say moissanite, or white sapphire, or could be diamonds, I guess. The style looks very, I don't know, very old looking. So there's that one. And then we have another ring. This one is a tiny little sapphire, and then grape and grape leaves. That one's really different. Let's see. Wait, I didn't measure this one. Hold on. This one is 7.5. The citrine. And then the little sapphire is a 10. And let's see what else we got. Yeah, just 2 more, and then we'll get into the regular stuff. I just wanted to show you these that are going back into inventory. This is a pair of Lee Bracelets. One has beautiful blue beads and this gorgeous deco looking panels. This one is panels with cat eye. So those 2 are new with tags. This one says it was 18 and this one says it was 20 something. So there's those. Okay. You know, let's put this stuff away or aside so I can put it away later. And then we'll get our new bin. And then we'll get busy on this bin again. Alrighty. Here's a little cherry pin. Very cute. Little rhinestoney guy, and it's in perfect shape. We got the other one of these the other day. And this one is, oh, I have a dream. It's a double one of those guys. Ooh, pretty. There's a crazy looking earring. That's cool. I like that. Neat. Okay, what have we here? We have a button closure. There we go. Button closure, blue, blue seed beads, and it looks like it's a mixture of clear over here on this side and matte over on this side. So that's different. And it's got a coconut shell closure, and then it's got this down here. I don't know where this stuff goes. Does that go back down this way? I don't know. It's different. It's really different. And then it's got a lovely piece of mother of pearl shell for the pendant. Ooh, look at that. This, I think we've had one of these before. Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What the? Shenanigans. Shenanigans. This. I've had this before. These types of beads. Only the last one was much brighter. These are acrylic painted with gold paint. They're really cool looking. Just about go with everything in your wardrobe, huh? Cute. Alright. Then we have Hello Kitty bracelet. Hello Kitty. We've already seen this earring. Here's a topaz looking stretch ring. quite small, but it does stretch. There's a pretty earring. Goes with a necklace, I think, that somebody grabbed. So if it was you that got the necklace to go with this, let me know. I think it was a net. I'm not sure. There's a hunk of mother of pearl, very rough. Actually, it's not mother of pearl, it's abalone. Let me see the abalone. You can see the abalone on the back and in the corner here. Earring. Plastic. Here's a cool. Look at him. He's so cute. He's adorable. And he's so stretchy. And you know how I am about stretchies. And also, he's missing a stone, so he'll be mine. He'll be mine, because he's got one missing right there. Can't sell him. He's cute. I like him. I like him a lot. Okay, we have some little saucer beads that are kind of they got no love. Look, they got no endings on them. These be broke, and they're knotted, so you can't do a lot with them. Ooh, these are nice. Oh, what is this? Oh, it has a magnetic one. Ah! I don't know what this is, but it's very old. It's a C clasp. It's a cane. Oh wow, it's enamel. It needs to be cleaned up, but boy is that pretty. And is that old? Look how old that is. Look, 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 look. Can you see the clasp? Can you see the clasp? I'm sorry, I can't help it. I'm just like that sometimes. Alright, and now this is magnetic. That's an interesting clasp. Look at that. And it's got the Z beads, and it's got a hunk of, looks like, it's definitely horn of some sort. I don't know what beastie it came from, though. Here's a pretty, ooh, purple, purpley, purpley, purpley. Purple and silvery gray, and like an olive brownish and black. Oh, that's pretty. What did I just lose? Something just hit the floor. The pearl. The pearl. The real pearl from this ring. I need to find it. Oh my gosh. That's going to be a fun search. Alright, well. Okay, let's just continue. I'll deal with that later. Ooh, this is multicolored glass. Stretchy. And this one is, ooh, agate and shell and plastic and plastic and plastic and plastic and plastic and really nice Venetian glass. Wait, what is that? That's plastic too. This is the only glass. This one. The rest is plastic. I thought that was an agate, but it's not. No idea what this is. It's a pendant. I think it was a stamp, but this part came off. 1980 what? Here is a jet pin that goes to Hubsies. Here's a double American flag. Goes to Hubsies. Hubsies. Yikes, yikes. There's a nice squared bangle. We got the hoop. And we got zombie. 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 Matches my nail polish. Keep that on. Here is a porcelain little earring, yellow earring, and then there's the other one of those. Ooh, what is this? Oh, that's pretty. It's a little teeny locket. Come on now. What the heck? I can't get it open. Hold on a second. There we go. It opens this way. It's kind of pink inside. I don't know what that's about. Maybe emulsion from photographs. Possibly. Could be. Oh, there's some more of these interchangeable guys. Cute. Anybody else seen that one already? And then, oh, that's pretty. It's kind of heavy though. Earring. Earring. Ooh, look at that. Oh, that's so cute. But it's a shame. Look at the jewelry cancer on that sucker. Ooh. Ooh, this looks like CZ's. It's very sparkly. And I think it's steel. It's a small one. It might be a midi ring. Yeah, it's a 5. So, yeah, I can't wear that as a midi. It slides off. I can wear it though. There's the other one of those. There's the wine glass that goes to the corkscrew. There's a hoop. One of them cheapy ones. This is really nice. It's just a stretchy, but it's a pretty one. Woohoo! Little red owl with black eyes. Charm. Come on. Grab some stuff. One of those. Ooh, pretty. This is definitely steel. It says something in it. I believe it's the brand name. Treasured Memories by who? Did that say Gans? That's an old one. Yep, Gans. Remember Gans from the 80s? Yeah, buddy. That is a vintage. And you can tell by the shape of the heart that it's kind of like, it's that 80s stuff. This is some faux hematite. Very lightweight. Now, if this was the real deal, it would be really heavy, and it would not kink up like that. It would drape very nicely. There's your difference. Ah. This one is Laguna, not the one that's on the table. It's this one. Laguna, Laguna. That is a vintage one. Laguna, French jet, but it's missing. It's not missing any of this, but it's missing 2 strands of the necklace. Oh, that's a shame because everything else is in perfect shape. Darn it, might have to restring some stuff. This is magnetic, that's why it's in a cluster like that. Come on, undo. Undo, undo. It's supposed to break away. There you go. Alright, now, is you... How is this? What the... I don't... I'm unsure about how this goes. Very weird. Anyway, we'll get to that in the next one. Please. Thank you all for being here. Please leave a like. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment down there. And if you see something you can't live without, please leave a timestamp in the comments below of the item in which you're interested. If you'd like, you can send me an email with that same information, plus the title of the video and the date it was posted so that I know where to find your item. And if you haven't bought from me before, include your name, your address, your PayPal email, and your YouTube name so that I can invoice you and get your item sent out to you. Remember that I love each and every one of you, and be yourself, because everyone else is taken. Bye-bye.